Alright, hello everyone, welcome to the final part of the tutorial series. We'll be going over how to Photoshop our render. So firstly, you want to open the image. This is just to get the size of the image first. So you want to go Image, Canvas Size, and then get these dimensions here. And go File, New. We'll set it to pixels. And enter those dimensions in. Then you want to set your resolution to 300 pixels per square inch. You can just keep the RGB color at 8-bit, it's fine. Background white is fine, and everything else looks good. Let's give it a name. And then hit create. And we can close this document here. Now, so we get our render elements, and we're going to place them in the file. So just drag and drop it, press enter, and we'll do that for each render element we're going to use. So in this case, we'll just select the material ID and the render ID, as well as the shadows and the reflection. That should be all we need for now. Just drag those in. And then it's good to put all your elements into a separate folder. So you can hide that there and only use it when you need it. Also, this is not a basics on the Photoshop itself tutorial, it's more just looking at how to Photoshop the render. So first thing, always make a copy of the original image file. Then we're going to go up here to Filter, Camera Raw Filter. Then we go to Basic here, and you always want to refer back to your reference image. So in this case, I think it looks like some of the shadows need to be increased, as well as the whiteness. So we'll just go ahead and play with the settings here. Increase the exposure a bit. Maybe move some of the highlights up to the sky, it looks a bit more natural. I always turn the clarity up just a little bit, makes it look a little more realistic. As well as the texture, just maybe around 4. Just increase the blacks and the shadows up just a little bit to match the reference image. But of course, if you think something looks good, you can just go ahead and do it. Since this is set in autumn, we will add a bit more temperature onto the image and put the tint to green slightly. We'll just turn down the vibrance and saturation as well. So I think that looks good for the camera raw filter. We'll hit OK. And then you can compare it, because we made a copy here, compare it to the original image. So I think that makes it look a lot better. So in the next tutorial we'll be looking at how to do the shadows and add shadows with the brush tool. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video.